We want to understand the concept of logarithm. Log of any number, whenever we are taking, what it is, the meaning of it. Let's go into the definition. We can see that logarithm is a power to which a fixed number can be raised so as to produce a given number. There is n is a positive number other than 1, and a to the power x, this is equal to n whenever I have written, then x is called the logarithm of n. X is called logarithm of n. That means just the vice versa, any of the concept I can apply. Means if I take the next one, I can write it down. X is equal to log of n to the base a, let's say, given. Then from here, without the log number, if I want to find e to the power x, I will write, which will be equal to n. Means from here n is equal to e to the power x. So this one is written here, a to the power x is equal to n, and that is x is equal to this value. This is basically the log. And in this case, whenever first one written, so I can write it down. I can write it down that it is nothing but log of n to the base a. N to the base a. This way we normally mention the statement of log. Now let us go to the properties. In case of log, we have to apply the property, and to get into the property, what we will be able to find, log of b to the base a is equal to x. The same thing I have written, a to the base a to the power x, which is equal to b. And in good number of time, these interchange from log to the number. This is a requirement. Logarithm of a number is only defined for positive numbers. We cannot define it for any other negative number or for zero even. It is even 1 is only defined for positive numbers. It is not defined for zero or a negative number as well. Log of 1 is defined, which is equal to 0. This is the added part. We can find it out. Now we are extending the property, and to extend the property, let b is greater than 0, a is greater than 0, a not equal to 1. This much whenever it is given, what I will be able to find, that log of b to the base a, this would be a real number at that time. And log of anything to the base 1 to the base anything, it would be nothing but 0 always. Log of a to the base a, that means any number to the base same, it would be also 1. Also we need to keep it in mind. Now I have written log of m into n to the base a, and whenever this one is written as a product format, ultimately it would open as a addition format. Log of m to the base, both base, it would remain same, m to the base a and as well as n to the base a. Now log of m by n to the base, division format. Whenever it is written division format, this one is subtraction, that we need to keep it in mind. Next one, log of 1 by m to the base a, it has been written. So 1 by m, how I will be able to say? It is nothing but m to the power minus 1, and that minus sign I can take it outside and I can adjust it. So these are the rules which we have to extend. Now take it next set of rule, where it is given as log of m to the power n base a. So that to the power n, it would be outside n log of m to the base a. Now I am writing both power. A to the power y, it is nothing but base, and m to the power x, it is number to the base, to the power. This x, it would come to the numerator, and this y power of the base, it would come to the denominator. X by y log of m to the base a. Now again, a to the power log of m to the base a to the power n, and that would be nothing but log m, and denominator log of a to the power n, log of a to the power n. Here both of them, any base I can write it down. And the second one, if I open, n will be outside, log of this. And from here also I can write it down, log of m to the base a. Log of b by a, where b to the base a whenever written, so I can write log of b by log of a. And please see that here any base I can apply. Now if it is written log of b to the base a and a to the base b, what I can write, this one if I write it numerator by denominator, so log b by log a, and this is log c by log b get cancelled, log c by log a. So log c by log a is log of c to the base a. This way the property different time it will appear. Next set of property, if I check it out, log of b to the base a, and 1, it is nothing but 1 by this one. If I take denominator reciprocal, so base and number will get changed, so log of a to the base b, this is one. A to the power, another set of log problem we can see, wherever a to the power log of x to the base a, means this is a and this is also a. If it is written, then ultimately this x will come outside. X, it is nothing but x. This a and this a, it is getting cancelled, but we need to keep very important one such formula which we normally forget. Here to get it, I am writing it, a to the power log of x to the base a, I am writing as y. So a to the power y, it has been written. And finally open it up, log of x to the base a, it is outside, taking both log, multiplied by log a is equal to log y, taking logarithm in both side. And once it has been taken, so this is log a by log x by log a, multiplied by log a, it equal to log y, and log a get cancelled, log x equal to log y, so x is equal to y, means this entire thing. This way, it has been appeared as per property of log. So log has lot of usage. One is property. Now, in case of log, other than that property usage, we can find equality and inequality in log if it is applied. Like this way, whenever equality given, as both base are same, I can write it down x equal to y. Inequality, if log of x to the base a is greater than log of y to the base a, I can take it out x and y in similar manner, x is greater than y. But it need to keep it in mind that a need to be greater than 1. If a is less than 1, that means a fraction, but it cannot be lesser than 0 also. So if it is less than 1, this is given, at that time the inequality it reverses. So very important as per the inequality segment concern, x is greater than y whenever a is greater than 1, x is x is equal less than 1 y whenever a is in between 0 to 1. So this way we can find some equality and inequality application. Now next one, as per log, characteristics and Mantissa. These are the two words it is used for log part. Log of x to the base 10 is 0.bcd. This is the value. Let's say something a point bcd, where this bcd part, this one is positive, a being an integer and bcd etc being digits, then a is called characteristics. So whenever log I am opening it up, then a is called characteristics, and the other part 0 point bcd is called mantissa. So this part is mantissa. So characteristics and mantissa, these are the two things it is appearing, is the mantissa of log of x to the base 10. Now log of x to the base 10 is equal to this value I have received, then 3 is the characteristics and this one is the mantissa. This way it has been written. Acha, if it is appeared as a negative sign, then log of x to the base 10 is equal to, I can write as a negative and positive this way combination, minus I have taken it out, and this one again minus. So minus 1 I have added 1, and then plus 1 I can find it out, and I can find it out minus 5 and plus of that. This way the entire value of log and I can appear. This way it will be the Mantissa again, and this is the characteristics. So this way characteristics and Mantissa, these we can find it out in case of log. Now log has a another very important usage, which is finding number of digits. If the characteristics A of log x is positive, if it is positive, then x is a number. I want to find it out. Characteristics of log x, characteristics A of log x, whenever is positive, then x is a number whose integral part is nothing but this one. Integral part is of a plus 1 digits. Now we are taking one example. X to the base 10, it is written as that. So 3 and this 156, this is after decimal. Then 3, this is the integral part I have considered. Then x will have how many digits? 4 digits in the integral part. Because x, I can say the same thing in that way. If you take it out, log 10 to the base 10, value is coming as 1. Log of 100 to the base 10, we know it is 10 square, so it is 2. Log of 1000 to the base 10, so it is coming as 3. What does it mean? Meaning is 10 is a two digit number, start two digit number, till this less than 100 means 99. So basically log of any value x to the base 10, where x is any two digit number, two digits number, then what happened means 10 to 11, 10 to 99, it should be nothing but 1 point something. So our 1 characteristics part is 1, characteristics is nothing but 1. So 1 will determine that it is x is a two digit number. This is the example number of digits, which is very important in case of our log application we can find.